Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite way to roast a chicken. It is spatchcock chicken, so it's flattened, it's butterflied and flattened on the roasting pan, and the chicken is flavored with herb garlic butter, which makes it so tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. There is a secret ingredient in it that makes it very flavorful. It takes about an hour, so let's get started. Place the chicken breast side down and cut out the backbone using kitchen scissors. Once you cut it out, open the chicken and cut in the middle of the breastbone. You need to remove any excess fat and season with some salt and pepper. The next step is to separate the skin from the meat slightly so we can insert some of that herb garlic butter under the skin. That's what's going to keep the meat super juicy. Now about the butter, so as well as some garlic and parsley and lemon zest, we are going to add a little bit of olive oil and some dried herbs, and my secret ingredient is chicken stock powder. Yes, chicken stock powder. It's going to add the most delicious, chickeny umami flavor to the meat. I will usually cut up some vegetables, so in this case carrots and potatoes, which we're going to roast with the chicken. The next step is quite simple. You're going to spread that butter all over the chicken on both sides, making sure you add quite a lot of it under the skin. And sort of press it into the meat with a spoon or your fingers. And then you can also season it with a little bit of extra salt. Place your vegetables around and drizzle with olive oil and season as you like. We're ready to go in the oven. My tray wasn't big enough for carrots and potatoes, so it's just going to be potatoes, and I'll do carrots separately, but obviously you can do all vegetables in one pan. This is going to be about 45 minutes, maybe longer. It depends on the size of your chicken. Let's go roasting. Make sure you place the baking tray on the middle shelf, not too close to the top rack, because that's where it's usually really hot. Now once the chicken is ready, you have to rest it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let all the juices come back into the meat. You can cut it up or serve the chicken whole. Either way, this is such a delicious way to cook the chicken. And that's good chicken.